Hey, how's it going, everyone? I wanted to go over a watch list that I do have for you guys. I did want to mention this before Tuesday as we are looking into the market and waiting to see what might happen here. But quick disclaimer, anything we do mention is purely for entertainment purposes. If you like financial advice, recommend you contact a financial professional. However, we have been going play by play throughout the whole month, and I plan on doing this for you guys throughout the whole year. So if you want to see more entries and breakouts, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified of timely matter. And I am going to show you about 7 plays right now. We're going to go through them quick. So get ready. Here we go. So far off the bat, we're going to have SEAC. SEAC, I'm going to come up to the 5-minute chart so you guys can see what we're looking at here. There is a bullish trend, and we are going to see if it breaks our 170 mark, as it does need to break new highs because it has been coming up quite a bit. Again, I do see a lot of volume at the end of the day on Friday, and we did see that it had a little bit of a sell-off. So we're going to see what happens here if it tries to create a consolidation and support line, or if it's going to just tank on us. So again, we're going to see what happens here. We're going to let the play come to us, and we're going to, personally, I'm going to be buying around 180 if it does break out. Now, I like SEAC, SCNS. Everybody's been talking about that. Obviously, it has came up quite a bit. A lot of you are probably wondering, wow, it's already too late. Well, in my opinion, we're going to wait to see if it does grab a support line here and consolidate and try to come back up. But because, again, I do like this company a lot. SCNS does have the capability of going up still, in my opinion. So we're going to wait to see what happens. Let the play come to us. In my opinion, I'll be buying around the $2 range. Once it hits $2, then I'll be buying, as it has tons of volatility. So I'm not even worried about missing out from 150 to $2 because at this point we could see a sell off and it could just tank on us. But we are going to see what happens here, and we do have our alert set. So again, around $2, I have my buy alert set for SCNS. Now, VISL, I do like VISL. I do see a possible bullish move on VISL. They have been consolidating for a while now, and they did have a descending wedge, and they broke out of it, and they do have a possible bull trend here. Now, personally, I'm going to be buying around 250 on a safe play because we did see how much it did sell off here until it breaks that support, in my opinion, on that resistance. I do see that it needs to build that support for it to go up as much as we want it to. Now, again, everybody could be buying around $2, waiting for 250, but in my opinion, that's kind of risky. We don't know if it'll fall off the charts or not. So until then, I'm going to be holding around till 250, and I'll be buying around 250 mark for a nice swing trade. Let me jump into my next favorite play, AMTX. AMTX, we do see a bullish trend on the 4-hour here for a possible swing trade. I'm waiting for it to break 460. If it does break 460, I'll be buying more. But again, we're going to wait for it to break out of this bullish trend. I'm going to jump in the 5-minute on this one so you can see what we're looking at on the daily. Here on Friday, this is kind of how it came out. It did sell off a little bit, but it consolidated selling off. This is a possible bull trend. As you could see, it comes up and it likes to create the same situation. And then it gaps up, it comes up, it does create a consolidation going downwards, and then it does like to spike up. So again, we are going to see what happens here. We have our alert set around 380, so around $4. If it breaks $4, then I'll be buying on an easy swing trade or day trade on AMTX. Now, we are going to let that play come to us as usual. PLTR, I like it a lot because ARK Invest actually bought 497,000 shares last week, and everybody knows that most of the things that ARK Invest buys usually does pretty well, again, like it did with Workhorse. So we do see a pennant being built, and we are going to let our buy alert play out here. So again, if it hits $30, we'll be buying some and have on easy swing trade, in my opinion, as bulls will be favored, in my opinion, at that point. It is trying to create some consolidation here, but again, we're going to let this play come to us as it has created lower lows, and it could just be tanking on us again. So we got to make sure we have a good buy and make sure we buy on the bullish momentum on the breakout again and letting the play come to us. And GIK, it's a SPAC company. It's a little bit different of a play. I'm averaging down at this point. GIK could go crazy as they do have their merger expected to be coming out in January, February. So we will see what happens here on GIK. We could see a run up to $20, $30 if they do get some vote date news and they get a vote. Again, we saw what happened in CCIV. They went up to $20. Obviously, that is Lucid Motors, a little different than Lightning E-Motors, but Lightning E-Motors I love just as much, honestly. I think they're underrated, and we'll see what happens with GIK. And my last one was OPK. OPK is an awesome play, in my opinion. OPK is creating a bullish trend right here. We do see that it could be creating a nice swing trade. In my opinion, I really do like the buy pressure behind this. I like the way it's consolidating. It has created a nice bull trend here, and I think it's super bullish the way it's consolidating here. But we'll see what happens here. We're going to let the play come to us as usual. I'll be buying at $6. I have my buy alert set. Literally, when it hits $6, it's going to buy on its own. And then I have my sell alert right under it at 580 on a short stop loss, as the bulls will be momentum at that point. So I think I have very low risk, and I think it will be a nice swing trade at that point. So those are my watch list plays for today. Again, I hope you guys have a good morning. I hope you guys are ready for today, and I hope you guys get some profits on these days. Again, I'm going to be posting throughout the day, Monday through Friday. You'll probably see like 7 or 8 more videos out today for you guys, so you guys can see more entries and breakouts again. But much love to everybody in the comment section. Much love to you guys. Been showing me tons of love, and everybody that's been subscribing. Much love to you guys, of course. God bless you guys. And if you guys have a watch list, throw it in the comment section. I'm always in the comment section showing love, so I love talking to you guys. And I'll see you guys next video.